Hey Dan, what's up?
Have you ever heard of Built-In?
You mean the company I host a web series for?
That's them. I want you to talk to one of their employees, Anami. She's got a really cool story that involves career change, personal growth, and a national product launch.
Whoa, that sounds interesting.
Should be.
Okay, thanks Dan. Let's dance. Hey, I'm ready to learn. Meet Anami,
I'm Anami.
a product director at Built-In.
I'm a product director at Built-In.
But that wasn't always the case. She wasn't even always a tech professional. You see, her path to where she is today was a bit... what's the word I'm looking for?
Unconventional.
That's the one. You see, when I said let's dance earlier, I wasn't kidding.
I actually started my career as a professional dancer in a ballet company. And as I was performing on stages across the world and came to the peak of my ballet career, I started thinking about career transition. So in my mid-20s, I went back to Sweden and did a business degree, and then started learning about tech and agile and became really passionate about that. And so that is how I then got into my first startup in Stockholm and really continued on that path of product to where I am today at Built-In.
Her passions took her from ballet to Built-In. But that's not where our story ends. In fact, this is where it starts.
When I started Built-In as a product manager, I was an individual contributor and I was responsible for delivery of core roadmap items, but not so involved in the strategy of things.
So Anami wanted more, and it's not hard to understand why.
I get a joy out of seeing a team and the work all come together. To draw a parallel from my previous career, to put on a show, you need a lot of different elements. And you need the costumes, and you need the choreographer, and you need the lighting, and you need all the dancers, and everything has to come together into this one product, if you will, to share with an audience and create an experience. That always gave me a lot of joy. And I think there's the same with the product development process. Leading a team and kind of choreographing the whole product experience and launching it and seeing the data come in real time and really creating that joyful experience, it really gives me a lot of energy.
But how to get that? Well, enter Nagini, stage right.
Hi, I'm Nagini. I am the VP of Product at Ballet.
Oddly enough, this wasn't a first meeting. This was a reunion.
So I actually met Anami several years back at a Women in Product event. I remember when I was still in the interviewing stage, both of us glanced at each other, kind of with the look, I know you, we've met before.
Call it destiny or downright luck. It didn't matter to these two, because all they wanted to do was hit the ground running.
Last year, going back to the national launch, it was a really large-scale launch for us, a key moment in Built-in's journey, and she played a very crucial role. So as I was getting onboarded here at Built-in, and she talked about her interest to getting to that next level of product management.
I expressed an interest to be more involved in the strategic work and to own a bigger piece of the roadmap. And also, I wanted to develop my leadership skills and my people management skills, since I had not had that experience before.
So we sat down last year, crafted out a beautiful career path for her, and promoted her a very well-deserved promotion to a product director.
And I'm so excited to start learning more about people management and develop my leadership skills.
With a new mentor, promotion, and personal career roadmap in place, the only thing left to do was execute. Question is, did she?
Oh my gosh, right from day one. Some of these opportunities, there's a huge timing aspect. And the timing worked out really well with us just growing and adding more product managers.
I could not have imagined a better career path for myself. And I've grown so much at Built-in as a product manager and now a product leader. I would not have imagined myself getting to this level in such a short amount of time and growing so much, having so much opportunity as I've had at Built-in.
So we can add growth and opportunity to that list. I guess the only thing left to ask is, if you could do it all over again, what would you change?
I wouldn't change anything. I would do exactly what I did, and I believe you have to do what you're passionate about. I was really passionate about ballet, and now I'm really passionate about tech and about product management. So I just encourage everyone to follow your passion.
That's some pretty solid advice, and a pretty cool story. Thanks to Anami and Nagini for sharing this great journey from Stockholm to Chicago, from ballet to built-in.
So what'd you think? Pretty cool, right?
For sure. It's an almost classic story in tech. Someone from a really unconventional background bringing their unique skill set to tech and using it to grow and succeed.
And a great mentor-mentee relationship, too.
On top of the drama of a national launch. It was a really cool story. Thanks, Dan.
Thanks, Jesse. See you next time.
Can't wait.